Attention all units on C schedule. The Women's Correctional Facility on Elm Street in the West Valley has been taken over by the inmates. Ludlow 9, handle code 3. All other units code 2.
Ludlow 9, roger.
Lieutenant, Jill's at that prison. When they reported the epidemic, she went out there with a doctor.
Tell me about it on the way.
Hey, bring me back those keys.
You're right.
Opie, lock her in the laundry room. Okay, everybody, quiet down now. It's the cops. They can't get us. We've got hostages and we're getting shotguns. Us. You try shooting, you try tear gas, we start killing hostages. You got that?
We hear you, Maxine.
Okay. Now, just in case you don't believe me, take a good look at the first throat we'll slit.
You people in there, give it up.
And you keep that kind of talk out of your mouth, Leslie. Choke it or I will.
This'll cut you in half, Landers. Just talk to me one more time like that and I'll blow you.
Hey, Les, you're on something, aren't you?
Yeah. Yeah, I found some stuff in the infirmary. You know what? It ain't bad.
Okay. We want to talk to the people. We want them to know just how lousy things are in here. You hear me, Super? You turn that kid's head against me, and I'm going to shoot yours off. Do I make myself clear? Hey, nurse. You want to worry about something? A person such as yourself could die real fast in a joint like this.
Yeah, a person like you could die real slow. Inch by inch.
Who gave me a chance? Who gave a damn about me?
What about this Maxine Wills?
Well, she's another story. She's capable of a lot of things. She'll kill if she has to.
Come on, Lieutenant, we gotta make some kind of a move.
Could cost Jill her life.
It could cost her a life with us doing nothing.
What's Mike up to?
He's up to something. Something crazy. That's what worries me. I gave him permission.
Leave Mrs. Danko. I'll go in her place.
Let's put some space between them and us. What I'd like to do is listen, stupid. As long as she's alive and with us, we got a chance. Dig?
You okay?
Yeah.
Hang on. Chris, get on that walkie-talkie. Get Riker. Tell him somebody's got a tractor and is trying to make a break for it.
Lieutenant, this is Owens. Come in, please.
Chris, this is Terry. Hold on, I'll get Riker.
Owens and Danko, are you all right? Yes, sir. They see us, but I don't think they know who we are yet. They have Jill with them. Do you read me? They have Jill in that tractor.
There's no field hand out there. It's a cop. Make it easier for them.
gave me a chance? Who gave a damn about me?
Come on.